Hey guys, it's Jeff with Profusion Pressure Washing. Today I have another video of a wood fence restoration I completed for a very happy customer. Now make sure you stay until the end of the video to see some nice before and after photos and video as well. Wood restoration is not just a simple cleaning. It's an all-inclusive prep service for sealing and staining, whereas a simple cleaning only removes organic growth. Wood restoration starts with the soft wash application of a wood cleaner. I let that sit for a while and then rinse thoroughly with my pressure washer that is safe for wood surfaces, which removes all of the organic growth infesting the wood's pores. Next, we apply a wood brightener to bring the wood back to its natural color after the cleaner darkened the surface. This also brings the pH of the wood back to a neutral state. This process also removes rust runs from nails and opens up the wood's pores to accept stain or sealant, which is key. After we rinse once more, we're left with a completely restored surface, which is now as close to new as possible. Now, if you know someone who has a dirty fence, deck, or house, be sure to tag them down below. Also share this post if you support local business, and at the very least leave a like on the video as it helps me out very much. I would really appreciate it. We offer both wood restoration and cleaning services. We price each differently, however. If you're looking to preserve your fence or deck and are looking to stain or seal, restoration is the perfect option. If you have a dirty fence, deck, or house, you can click through my page and message me, and I will be more than happy to provide a free estimate. It's been Jeff. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.